What's good, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro. You can pick these up on Samsung's website for 199 bucks. I believe they have them on Amazon as well, and all your little big budget retailers and whatnot. So without further ado, let's take a look at the box itself. We'll go over some of the specs real quick. Bluetooth 5.0. Compatible with Android and iOS. I don't think that the app has been updated yet to go through all the features on iOS, but I believe it is coming. It looks like it's around the same size as the Buds Live, but we'll take a look at that in a moment. It says with active noise cancellation on, get about 4.5 hours. Active noise cancellation off, about 5 hours, and with 16 hours of standby time for ANC and 18 hours of standby time without ANC. Now with ANC and the Bixby, the Hello Bixby turned off, you get 8 hours and 28 hours of standby time. So that's actually really good if you don't utilize those two features. Let's see, active noise cancellation, built-in microphones. It has a two-way 11 millimeter woofer and a 6.5 millimeter tweeter. So again, I myself really like the Galaxy Buds Live, so I'll definitely be putting it through its paces. Then I'll get back with you guys in a moment to see whether or not you guys should pick them up. So this is what the box looks like. Very, very similar to the Buds Live as far as the size of the box itself. And then as you can see right there, two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation, 5 to 18 hours, and they are IPX7 waterproof, tuned by AKG. So AKG definitely got the exclusive. So let's see what you get in the box. This should be the cable and the tips. So we have the cable and the tips. So the tips are up in there. You can see the little rubber. I believe the medium ones are on them itself. Let's see what we have. Should be USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. So pretty sturdy standard cable. Nothing else in the box. Put this to the side, and it's pretty much the same presentation as the Buds Live. If we can just take a look at these as for size comparison. I have this case on here, but they're pretty much the same size. So if you have a case for this, you can definitely utilize it with these. So without further ado, let's take a look. All right. So right off the bat, very, very shiny and glossy. These are the black version. I wish they would have went matte, kind of like the S21 Ultra. That would have been dope. But see the ear canal coming in there. Looks like a very slim fit. Let's take a look at the Buds Live in comparison. All right. And then we'll take a look at the AirPods Pro comparison. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. I'm pretty sure that the pairing process and the actual process to get them going, you download the Samsung Wear app, go through it, select them, then they'll go ahead and pair up and do their thing. So again, don't want to keep you guys here too long. I'll be getting back with you guys in another video with my full review and give you my opinion. So you guys take care of each other. Peace.